y'all, it's Ebony, and in today's video we're going to talk about the topic that you see above: how to still run your business while you're on vacation or while you are away on holiday. Alright guys, so this is a question I get asked a lot, and if you're following me on Instagram and you frequently watch me on Instagram Live, because I go live maybe 2, 3, 4 times a week, it depends on my mood. So if you watch me on Instagram Live, then you definitely know the answer to this question. This is something I answer all the time. I thought I had a YouTube video on it and I didn't, so here we are. So when it comes to running your business on holiday, you guys, trust me, do not overthink the process. What you do is simple and easy, okay? So for me, I give myself 2 different options. The first option is, if I'm going away on vacation, hey, I'm on vacation. I'm living my best life. I don't want to think about business at all. So the website is just off. The website is off. So you'll set your website simply to say like, we're on hiatus, or we're currently down. We're down for routine maintenance. We're updating and making changes to the site. Check back in a week or something like that. So you can simply let your following know in advance, or let your customers, your audience know in advance, hey you guys, I will be going on vacation, you know, July 20th to July 30th. You know, so I won't be taking any orders at that time. Make sure you guys go ahead and take advantage and purchase all of the things you need now. July 19th is going to be the last day that I ship out orders. So if you need anything, go ahead and get it now, because I'm going to be on vacation. So you can simply just take your website offline, let people know in advance what's going on, so they don't think you just fell off the face of the earth. And that's perfectly fine. Like, that is your first option. Like I said, do not overthink it, okay? The second thing that I do while I'm away on vacation, I don't really like to stop making money. I like to keep my website up and running. So I will leave my website up and running, and then I will make it known or make it aware that, hey, I'm going on vacation. Hey, I'm going to be away. Orders will not start processing, or orders will not start shipping out until this date. And the date is going to be the date that you plan to return. Now, let's say you go on vacation from July 20th to July 30th. Don't say that, you know, July 30th, the day you get back, don't say that that's the date that orders will start processing or whatever. Give yourself at least an additional day or 2 just to recover. Like, you don't want to come back from a vacation and jump right into work. Typically, the day that you make it back from vacation, you're still tired, you're exhausted, you end up being in bed all day, you're sleeping. So give yourself another day or 2, the day that you plan to make it back from vacation, and then whatever day that is, that's the date that you're going to let your customers know that you're going to start processing orders at that period of time, or you're going to start shipping out orders at that period of time. So those are pretty much the 2 options that I like to use when I go away on vacation, or if I'm on holiday, or if I'm taking a break. That is what I like to do. Also, I will say this, with the last option, if you're going to be on vacation for a long time, I would say the second option, that's good if you're going to be away for like a couple days. So maybe like a couple days all the way up into maybe 2 weeks. I feel like anything after the 2-week mark, that's a little ridiculous to have people wait longer than 2 weeks for an item. Like, people are gonna be like, yeah, we'll just wait until you get back. Like, you doing too much. You just gonna be holding on to my money for 3, 4, 5 weeks. That's ridiculous. People gonna think you funding. People gonna think that they are funding your entire vacation. So So I would say, you know, if you're going to be gone longer than 2 weeks, then just set your website offline. Just set the website offline. You know, that's just my personal opinion. But also, if you're going to have customers waiting a couple days all the way up until 2 weeks, I feel like you want to give them some sort of incentive, or give them something that's going to make the wait worth it. So for me, I like to do like a really good sale. Typically for me, my website is down around my birthday because I always go I'll take a trip for my birthday. So I like to do kind of like my birthday sale. You know, the birthday sale. My birthday sale is almost equivalent to my Black Friday sale. So I run a really good sale, like a really good sale that people are willing to wait 1 week or 2 weeks. I'm never going that long, but people are willing to wait up to a week before their orders start processing, and then they have to wait the processing period, and then still have to wait for the product to ship. So I feel like to give them something, like to give them a very good discount, or maybe they get a free item with purchase, you want to give them something because they're going to be waiting, and you want the wait to be worthwhile. You get what I'm saying? But those are the two things that I do when I go away on vacation. You either turn your website off, or you keep your website on and let the people know that orders aren't going to process until you get back. Period. Y'all, do not overthink the process. There's a lot of things in business that's going to require a lot of brain work, a lot of thoughts, a lot of time, effort, and energy. That's going to be like when you're creating sales funnels, or when you're coming out with new products and you're trying to figure out how to launch your product, or like, you know, thinking about your target audience, how you want to advertise a certain product. That's when you're really going to be using your brain. Like, that's when you really got to sit there and put a lot of thought, time, and energy into something. But this particular topic, as well as other topics, keep it simple, okay? Do not overthink it. Listen, do not overthink it. So anyways, I hope this video has helped someone out there. I know I have a lot of business owners that are watching, so if you are a business owner and you're watching, make sure you subscribe, okay? Your girl give out business tips on, well, I was gonna say on a daily, but that's a lie, on a weekly basis. On YouTube. I have over 200 YouTube videos. 90% of them is me giving you business advice, okay? Also, I like to vlog. So I like to do a day in the life of a business owner, weekly vlogs, weekly life as a business owner, and being a mother, and trying to, like, you know, balance everything out. So definitely hit the subscribe button, okay? Hit the subscribe button. And you guys, I have more great videos coming soon. Make sure you thumbs up, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.